Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation we will study about emergency push button. Why need emergency push button? Critical role of emergency push buttons. Emergency push button. What is emergency push button? Emergency push buttons is critical safety devices used in process plant to provide a quick and immediate means of shutting down plant, equipment, or processes in emergency situations. Buttons are designed to ensure the safety of personnel and protect assets by rapidly responding to potentially hazardous or life-threatening conditions. Critical role of emergency push buttons. Instant shutdown. When pressed, it designed to cut power to machinery, equipment, or processes, allowing for an immediate shutdown. This rapid response is essential in preventing accidents, injuries, or damage to assets. Critical role of emergency push buttons. Instant shutdown. When pressed, it designed to cut power to machinery, equipment, or processes, allowing for an immediate shutdown. This rapid response is essential in preventing accidents, injuries, or damage to assets. Immediate response. Emergency push buttons are strategically placed in workplaces to enable immediate response to emergency situations. When activated, they swiftly initiate safety measures, such as equipment shutdown or alarms, reducing the time it takes to address the emergency. Preventing accidents. Emergency stops can help to prevent accidents by allowing workers to quickly stop machinery or processes if they see something wrong. For example, if a worker sees a part caught in a machine, they can press the E-stop button to prevent the equipment from causing any further damage. Personnel safety. Their primary function is to protect the safety of personnel. In hazardous situations, employees can quickly press the button to halt machinery or processes, reducing the risk of injuries or harm. Fail-safe operation. Many emergency push buttons use normally closed, NC, contacts as part of a fail-safe design. In normal conditions, the circuit is closed, ensuring that equipment remains operational. When the button is pressed, the NC contacts open, cutting power and ensuring a safe response. Asset protection. Emergency push buttons also safeguard expensive equipment and machinery. By promptly stopping operations in the event of a malfunction or unsafe condition, they prevent further damage to assets. How do you handle situations where an emergency push button is accidentally activated? React promptly to the accidental activation. Safety should be the top priority. Ensure that all personnel are aware of the situation and that they remain safe. Then investigate the cause of the accidental activation, whether it's a training issue, equipment malfunction, or human error.
Thank you for watching this video.